Good morning. We are going to discuss some problem in vector analysis. Problem in vector analysis. Verify Green's theorem. Verify Green's theorem for the function f is equal to x square plus y squared into I vector minus 2xy into j vector. And C is a rectangle in the xy plane bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to a, and y is equal to 0, y is equal to b. Solution. The Green's theorem is integral m dx plus n dy over the rectangle C, which is equal to double integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. This single integral stands for line integral. Double integral is surface integral. It is called surface integral. Okay. Now we have to verify. Now left hand side is equal to integral over C m dx plus n dy. M is equal to x square plus y square. Integral over C m is equal to x square plus y square into dx. N is equal to minus 2xy into dy over C. Now C is the rectangle in the xy plane. This is x-axis, y-axis. This line is x is equal to 0. This line is x is equal to 0. This line is x is equal to a. This line is y is equal to 0. This line is y is equal to b. So this is origin O, this is A, B, C. Okay. So this is a rectangle bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to A, y is equal to 0, y is equal to B. This is the rectangle. Now we are going to calculate integral over the rectangle C is equal to line integral. C stands for line integral. So we have to find the line of this rectangle OA, AB, BC, CO. So this integral is equal to integral along OA plus integral along AB plus integral along BC plus integral along CO. Okay, we have to calculate the line integral. First of all, along OA, you have to find out this. Along OA, y is constant. Along OA, y is constant. Here y is equal to 0. Then dy is also 0. அப்போ y is equal to 0. அப்போ x varies from y is equal to 0. X varies from 0 to a. So therefore integral over c, that is integral over OA. And what about x square plus y square? X square, y is 0, dx plus here dy is 0, this part becomes 0. So therefore dx, this is equal to x cube by 3. The integral OA means x varies from, x only varies, x varies from where to where? X varies from 0 to a. So therefore this is equal to 0 to a. Okay, 0 to a. So therefore the limit is from 0 to a. Therefore a cube divided by 3. Therefore a cube divided by 3. Along AB, along AB, here what about constant? X is equal to constant. Integral over c x square plus y square into dx minus 2xy into dy. Okay, so along AB, x is constant, so therefore integral over, so this is dy, y is constant, x is constant, y varies from where to where? 0 to b. Y varies from where to where? 0 to b. 0 to b. So here x is equal to a. So x is equal to a and dx is equal to 0. But x is equal to a, x square is equal to dx is 0. So this part becomes 0. Okay. X is equal to a, dx is equal to 0. Therefore this part becomes 0. Here x is equal to a and minus 2a. So here x is equal to a, y equal to 0 to b. So therefore a square plus y square, tx is equal to 0. Therefore the first part becomes 0. Come to the second part, minus 2 into x is equal to a minus 2a y dy. So therefore this is equal to, okay, this is equal to y squared minus 2a into y squared by 2. Limit varies from 0 to b. Limit varies from 0 to b. This is equal to minus, the 2 will be cancelled. Therefore minus, this is b square by a times of b square minus 0. So therefore this is equal to minus ab square. This is equal to minus ab square. Okay, along AB is also over. Then along BC, here the integral from BC, y is constant, x varies. So BC, along BC in the sense x varies from a to 0. You have to be careful, x varies from a to 0. Okay, y is equal to b and definitely dy is also 0. Now y is equal to b, dx is 0, dy is 0, y is equal to 0. So therefore along BC, what is BC? Y is equal to b, dx y is equal to b. Therefore x squared plus b square, x square plus b square into dx. dy is 0, this part becomes 0. So therefore this is equal to x cube. So this is equal to x cube by 3 minus p squared x plus b squared x. The limit varies from a to 0. So therefore this is equal to upper limit is 0 minus the lower limit is a cube by 3 minus b squared a minus b squared a. Okay, so therefore this is equal to minus a cube plus minus of plus. So therefore minus a cube by 3 minus a b squared minus a b squared. Then along CO x is constant. Along CO x is equal to constant. Therefore x is equal to 0 and dx is also 0. So therefore the limit integral CO means what? B to 0, x is 0, dx is 0, dx is 0, x is 0, dx is 0, this part 0, x is 0, this part is also 0, that integrand is also 0. Okay, so therefore that integral of something becomes 0. So therefore integral 0 to or b to 0 is equal to 0. This part is becomes 0. The total thing is equal to 0. So therefore 0. Now left hand side is equal to integral over c is equal to integral over OA. OA is equal to nothing but, this is nothing but what? A cube by 3. AB is equal to integral over AB is minus AB square. This is nothing but minus A cube by 3 minus A cube by 3 minus AB square plus 0. So therefore this is equal to minus 2AB square. This is equal to minus 2AB square. So right hand side is equal to double integral over the surface S dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, dou m by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. M is equal to x square plus y square. N is equal to minus 2xy. Therefore dou m by dou y is equal to 2y. Dou m by dou y is equal to 2y. Dou n by dou x is equal to minus 2y. Therefore the double integral this is equal to double integral dou n by dou x is minus 2y, again minus 2y into dx dy. So here x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b. So therefore this is equal to integral 0 to b. This is minus 4y into, this is minus 4y into dx dy. So integral 0 to a minus 4y. Here now we are going to integrate with respect to x, keeping y as constant. So therefore integrating with respect to x, this minus 4y is constant. So dx, integration of dx is x. The limit varies from 0 to a into dy. So therefore this is equal to a minus 0 a. So therefore integral from 0 to b minus 4ay into dy. So this is equal to minus 4a into integral 0 to b y dy. So again this is equal to minus 4a into y square by 2. Limit varies from 0 to b. Therefore this is equal to b square by 2 minus 4 into b square by 2 minus 0. So this is equal to minus 4ay. So 4a here. So then here is also 4a. So therefore b square by 2 minus, therefore 2a b square minus 2a b square minus 2a b square. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore Green's theorem verified. Therefore Green's theorem verified. Thank you.